Hi, let's paint still life together. Let's plan and paint an attractive still life. Let's begin with the setup. I'm using chairs here and chairs and some objects here. I do a lot of trial and error until I get satisfied. Use white background when you wish to highlight the product more, and you can use the cardboard as well. That gives the normal gray color, or you can use the black background if you want, or you can use the cloths. I'm using my shiny silk saree here, not completely shiny. I prefer to go with some classy, so I'm going to make it attractive by doing some trial and error. I'm keeping here and there because I just want to make it look good. For me, this white background looked very dull. I'm going to challenge myself by taking the shiny background. The fun challenge is the bottle has the same color as the saree, so it looks little challenging. I use old trolley holder as a SL. I'm going to use only primary colors, which is blue, red and yellow. I'm using Prussian blue, cadmium yellow and lemon yellow and cadmium red, also a white. Just taking another blue shade for background. Primary colors are the basic colors from which you can create all other colors, and you cannot create these three colors by mixing other colors. We'll come up with a new video for these things. Learning and sharing what I know makes me really happy. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and support. Challenge me something so that I can come up with new ideas and shortcuts to make it easier. Let's begin with the light layer first. I'm mixing some waters and starting with the first layer. Materials I'm using are in the description below. I'm using canvas here. If you skip applying first layer or gesso, you will end up finding white dots here and there. Since canvas is a cloth, it absorbs the water if you use more, and it gives the white dots here and there. This layer acts like a patchwork. Let's begin with the rough sketch now, outline. To avoid the blue background, I'm mixing little red here for the outline. I have taken so many pictures of my setup and I have chosen one. Out of that, I am taking that reference and I am just drawing outlines here. If you are not comfortable with the brush, you can use pencil. Anybody can draw, so practice these things by using whatever you see in day-to-day life. Even I am in the process of learning everything. I draw daily and I analyze the things daily. Every artist does that. So just don't hesitate if it goes wrong. Just practice, it comes by practice. Have patience. So let's start with the filling part. I prefer to go with dark shades first, then mid-tone and lighter tone, and next lastly highlights. Take your time and do it slowly. Keep the reference side by side if you want. Just mixing little whites to create a mid-tone and more white when I go for lighter tone. You can create one more layer at the end if you are not satisfied now. A little reflection on the objects as well. Same method I am using for object as well. Darker shade, mid-tone, lighter tone and highlights. And same is applicable for other objects as well, like fruits and all. Dark shade, mid-hue and highlights. Should keep in mind about the directions. Up and down I am doing like straight one, and also the blending, and you should blend it properly so that it will avoid the straight line. Dark shade at the edge and highlight with the white will create 3D look. Mixing colors for metallic look, a little grey, little blue and little whitish one, by mixing red, yellow, blue primary colors with white. I'm using the same method for other objects as well here. Keep creating. Filling is kinda self-satisfying, so do trial and error until you are satisfied so that you can achieve perfection in later days. It comes by practice. Keep the flow of direction of colors here and paint detailing as well. Use the same method for the rest of the thing and enjoy creating. If you want to learn something specific, please mention it in the comments so that I can come up with the new ideas. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and support. I hope you enjoyed the process. I have tried my best to explain the things. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting.